In this video, let me show you how to use API Dog or API Dog. First, go to your browser, search for API Dog, sign up, and log in. You can use web version or download the desktop app. Once inside your dashboard, click the plus icon to start a new project. You can import an open API file in JSON or YAML, or just enter a URL. If not, manually create an API from scratch. To test an API, choose an endpoint, enter your parameters, then hit send. You'll see the response instantly and can even add assertions. You can mock APIs too, which is great for front developers. Use the mock server to simulate endpoints before the backend is ready. You can also create or join teams, invite members, and customize your workspace. Need API docs? You can generate and publish documentation directly within the platform. If you need help, API Hub offers walkthrough and lessons on their site. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.